And if you thought it was impossible to make a rugged smartphone that would be thin and light at the same time, you were wrong. In today's review we present the new Ulefone Armor 70 Pro, the world's first elegant rugged smartphone with a premium look and a flagship performance, which includes a 120Hz display, a 180 megapixel main rear camera and a 66 watts fast charging with magnetic wireless charging included. This is a really special phone, you have to see. One of my favorite rugged phone companies on the market, Ulefone, again pleasantly surprised me with the additional equipment you can get with this special smartphone. So along with our Ulefone Armor 70 Pro, we also get this excellent protective case and this mini magnetic Bluetooth speaker. We will look all these things a little later, and now we move on to the unboxing of our Armor 70 Pro. Right on the top there is this cardboard envelope in which we find for a bunch of accessories for our phone. So we have this SIM pick for opening the SIM tray and a lot of paperwork, including this Armor 70 Pro user manual. As usual, it looks very attractive and neat with the color pictures, and there is also the rest of the paperwork. Here we also find this exclusive magnetic phone stand wallet that keeps your cards close to hand, and it's also a table holder for your cell phone. Then we also have a strap for easy carrying our phone. Here below we can still find an additional screen protector, which is actually a tempered glass, even though Ulefone has already installed screen protector and it's already on the mobile phone out of the box. This is our phone, we will put it aside. What else we have in the box? We have this nice yellow USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. And finally we have this powerful 66 watt fast charger. Normally such a charger would cost you extra money, but Ulefone gave it to us for free in the sales package, which is really great. That will be the contents of this package. Now it's time to switch to our smartphone. The Armor 70 Pro design looks rather normal, nothing to hint that this is a robust phone. The back is very elegant and simple with the matte carbon fiber texture back panel with a centered lens module. The workmanship is excellent and the design is unobtrusive and decent, so at least you won't be bored with after a long time, and it feels great to the touch, very silky and smooth. Although the 70 Pro is a rugged phone, it is only 12.5mm thick and the weight is less than the 290 grams, which is a relatively thin and light rugged phone. It not only supports the basic IP68 and IP69K certifications, but it also has no dust plugs for its ports. This shows that Ulefone is very convenient with these dust-proof capabilities. If there is a dirt on the port, wash it and dry it and you can continue to use it. So from the front there is a 120Hz FHD Plus LCD screen with a Corning Gorilla protective glass. You must know that 120Hz screens are rare in rugged phones, and with the 240Hz touch sample rate it is already much better than most rugged phones. If you want it to be smooth and power efficient, you can also choose 90Hz. It is a nice classic display with a notch in which there is a 60 megapixel front camera with the face unlock function, and next to it is a LED notification light. The back is very simple but elegant, with the matte carbon fiber texture back panel plus a centered lens module. Down below it is a Ulefone logo. On the side is a metal frame with brushed aluminum texture. We also find metal buttons, very pleasant to the touch. It is a volume up down button, and below it is a power button with the finger unlock option. On the opposite side we find a 3-card slot drawer that has room for 2 nano SIM cards and a micro SIM card up to 2 TB at the same time. Underneath is this programmable button that is for that you can program the button to start some function or applications as you wish. On the bottom side of the phone there is a USB Type-C port, very loud high-res speakers or microphone, and what we all love to see is 3.5mm headphone port. On the top side we find only the microphone. Now let's go to the back to our phone. The Armor 70s Pro camera model is made up of 3 cameras. The main is Samsung camera of 180 megapixel and the other 2 are 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and the night vision camera. The main 180 megapixel is very good sensor and will give you a very nice photos most of the time. The most surprising thing is that it has autofocus face detection. Even today many phones do not have this feature. The 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera doesn't perform as well as the main camera, but considering that some budget phones don't even have an ultra-wide camera, it is good that the 70 Pro has this one. Everything in the dark is clearly visible thanks to the infrared night vision 2.0, the 8 megapixel night vision camera with the 2 AR LEDs in a great upgrade over the previous version. What kind of photos and videos we managed to take with this Armor 70 Pro and how did they look? Let's see them now. You can see from the samples the Armor 70s Pro photos are really in the range of flagship cameras. I can say that this is among the best cameras I had ever seen on a rugged phone. Now let's talk about the performance of the phone. Running the software side, this Armor 70 Pro is based on a pure Android 12 OS. So we enjoy giving it simple and easy to navigate interface, simple and recognizable, support for NFC and Google Pay. It has all Google apps pre-installed as well as some light useful Ulefone apps such as the always useful Toolbox or FM radio, for which you don't need headphones on this phone. Yes, you can listen to FM radio anywhere in any time. Reception is really excellent. We also have Bluetooth 5.0, dual band Wi-Fi and dual 4G LTE with VoLTE. Everything you want you get on this phone. The quality during the phone conversation or by sending mobile data and connected to the Wi-Fi network really work without any problems, just as it should for a phone like this. Right away, we'd like to say that we like the performance of this phone thanks to the Helio G99 chipset with the Mali G57 are perfect. All tasks and apps run smoothly and quickly without any lag. Multitasking is a breeze as well thanks to the 8GB of RAM and the 256GB of internal storage for all applications and the multimedia. So the performance on this phone is excellent. This smartphone is focused on multi-day use, for it's equipped with a set of specifications and features that other smartphones cannot offer, making this phone an exciting experience to use. If you like playing games, you will enjoy these popular titles in the Google Play Store in their highest settings. There really isn't a game that this powerful device can run. The Helio G99 is fast enough to handle games like Free Fire and PUBG Mobile and high FPS. With 8GB of RAM and up to 5GB of virtual RAM, you can let more apps run at once with the ultimate speed and smoothness. 256GB of internal storage plus up to 2TB of microSD card provides huge space for apps, files, photos and videos. The virtual memory expansion can be activated in settings and adds up to 5GB of RAM, so you get up to 13GB of RAM in total, which is really great. And with the 240Hz touch sample grade, gaming will be a real pleasure. The super fast 120Hz display refreshed twice as often to deliver silky smooth scrolling of web pages and animations. Full FHD plus 1080 by 2480 resolution display with vivid colors and crisp clarity. Everything looks brilliant and comfortable to your eyes. Watching YouTube videos and browsing websites will be a real pleasure. The Armor 70 Pro supports 66 watts wireless charging and 15 watts of wireless charging, and the wireless charging power is the fastest of any rugged phone I ever seen. The large battery of 5380 mAh can be charged 38% in 10 minutes and 90% in 30 minutes, which is 60% faster than a regular 20 watts charging. This free charger is really great. Not only it is a Type-C port and it supports all the charging protocols, meaning that almost all devices can be charged quickly with it. Normally such a charger would cost you extra money to buy, but the Ulefone gave it to us for free, which I really didn't expect. Of course, let's not forget to mention that the Armor 70 Pro is water and dust resistant. It was tested with the rating of IP68 and IP69K by the resistance standard and can withstand a maximum depth of 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes in the water. And in order to protect even better, as we mentioned at the beginning of the video, we also got this original multifunctional protective case compatible only with Ulefone Armor 70 Pro. With anti-shock absorbent TPU corners and rigid plastic body, these protective cases provide additional protection from drops, scratches and shocks. Precise cutout enable easy access to all buttons on the phone, ports and the camera, and perfectly match with our Armor 70 Pro. It comes with the 180 degrees rotatable back clip to bring it comfortable beavering angle, can be clipped to the belt for portability, or you can add a secure carabiner attached for this ease of access and various application scenarios. This multifunctional case is sold separately from the mobile phone and I would definitely recommend to all of you. What we also received, which is purchased separately, is this excellent mini magnetic Bluetooth stereo speaker with the power of 3 watt, sensitivity of 102 to 105 decibels and the Bluetooth 5.0 connection, compatible with MagSafe mobile phone. Supports two same speakers to be used together, which allows you to really enjoy the surround sound with the TVS function. It has a built-in 420 mAh battery that can work for up to 10 hours of continuous music listening. And how it sounds, let's listen.
I can see my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
To summarize at the end, how this is a truly unique smartphone with the body of a normal smartphone, but resistant to water, dust and shocks. And I tell you that this is one of the only elegant top smartphone on the market with almost flagship performance. If you are looking for a strong and robust phone, look no further. Armor 70 Pro will provide you with all that, with 180 megapixel main camera, night vision camera, 8GB of RAM, expandable up to 13GB of RAM, 256GB of internal memory, expandable up to 2TB, excellent Helio G99 processor at 120Hz display, pure Android 12OS and NFC. What more you can ask? We got it all. So the official sales links are below this video, be sure to visit them. Hurry up and get your new Armor 70 Pro today at the promotional price, because now is the chance. That will be all for now. See you soon with a new video. Bye.